Before we switched to Sellercloud, we had 3 different platforms doing 3 separate automations.
As we grew as a FBA business and e-commerce company, we were utilizing another software that was more of a restocking software versus a all-in-one solution.
Sellercloud enabled us to have one platform to take care of all automations as far as tracking, orders, inventory, all under one roof, which made it a life easier.
Sellercloud gives you one place to go.
You can do everything and manage it from the same platform.
You can take care of everything as far as tracking, orders, inventory, customer service. Everything that you need to do can be done in Sellercloud, and it takes care of all your channels in one place instead of having to go out to each individual channel and deal with it there. Sellercloud allows us to come in and sort the pick list. And then from there, our pickers get out there, they pull all the orders, they bring them back into shipping, it gets shipped out. Once it's shipped, tracking goes automatically back to the channel where the order originated from, and Sellercloud just streamlined the whole process. Where we used to have to enter tracking in by hand, that took multiple people hours per day to do. We don't have to do any of that anymore.
I'm sure you'll find that whether it's inventory, whether it's shipping, whether it's efficiency, you're going to find all the answers in Sellercloud.
Our brands, when we onboard them, the system that we put them into, they're amazed. There's no certain apps that we have to connect, no third party. Everything is all in one, and just the workflow on their end and the automation that we can set up for them, and they can do it themselves as well, it's just endless.
The ability for Sellercloud to be involved in so many different things really falls in line with what we do. Our logo, our mascot is an octopus, and we feel Sellercloud is very much that. It's got different arms that allow you to control your inventory, allow you to ship your items, allow you to integrate different applications and softwares which help you grow and continue to improve.